The state executive member of BJP Nagaland, Ghovishe Kiba, funded the road maintenance of 11-kilometer stretch at National Highway 702A between Asukhomi and Zunheboto town, where the executive engineers of PWD of National Highway of Mokokchung division were also asked to contribute an amount of rupees 1 lakh. After an issue raised by the citizens of Zunheboto town and surrounding villages on deplorable road condition of National Highway 702A between Zunheboto and Mokokchung. Earlier on the month of September, along with the funds, Ghovishe also provided his 2 dumper truck with 2 JCBs, 1 motor grader and other machineries for immediate repairing and renovation of the road. It is to be mentioned that the road maintenance is underway and is expected to be completed within a month. Further, the BJP Zunheboto Assembly Constituency Mandal Committee appealed all the neighbouring villages to cooperate for speedy completion during the construction of the road maintenance.
Piles Care Center, address Burma Camp Walford Road, opposite Police Point, Dimapur. Contact number 9863758600 690 971 7178.